Blessed Monday morning, each and everyone. Welcome back to another video, on one of your favorite channel. Speak my mind entertainment. You better start save my lawyer money. Else me go run off of social media before Marcia reach me. So you make me know what I do. If you're not ready to put down my lawyer money for all of these social media way we are going out here, you just tell me from now so I can continue. But if me not here, you not ready to have me back, my side, my belly, and anywhere you want to have, me I go run. Because me now make Marcia reach me. Oh, because them say court date set for Jamaican blogger. All them need for do now is to face the judge. You think that I anything yet? Speak me mind. You next. Speak me mind. You next, cause you go too far now. Speak me mind. You next a Jamaica. One by one, them a go up the hill. You know afraid rock stone roll down upon you from half of the hill. You know see what in our bag walk guards since week. The chop man a go through a stone roll off of the hill. Right through him windscreen and alive him. So when you say one by one, you're not afraid when you're going up the hill. But speak me mind next. But anyway, people will not take nothing lightly, so no make sure no tell me what I do. So me back out now and go for my Bible and turn Christian. And do like them around to the church when me want help only. Alright? Cause me no know where she come out with her psychotic behavior. Curly, are you me a chat? Where you come out with your psychotic behavior? You start the video with a psychotic behavior. You start talk how much you go to heaven. And you see heaven and you know heaven. And you see this and you see that. Jesus, please. It is more than a psychotic behavior Curly come out within this whole video. Curly coming like, she was the big root. Oh, sorry. The big space that she into caused her to end up into a psychotic mind where her behavior on this video, me don't know. Me no want to say she mental, so me say a psychotic behavior, because sometimes you do get find yourself in that type of thing, the base one where you go through. Yeah. So me I wanted the big space where she live in too much a room in there. And the space where she have, she just start think. Her mind just open and she just start think psychotic. The amount of sick the Marcia talk in this video. But here what happen? Before we get into the video, and before me come out of that part there, so me want to know, Marcia, me ask you one little question before me talk on something else before me get back to your video. How them have tracker are sitting upon CJ? Because me hear in the video say CJ go back to North Carolina must over the weekend, yeah. For one case so him up there. And police stop a boy we are carrying in the car. This time I never him a drive. But why him so bad lucky? That every time him a travel police, I saw him attracted to police? Or it's just that them a watch every move we make because of the person where him is? Eh? That when them go so and dig up the boy license never so good. That's all she say. The boy license never so good. If I did CJ, she wouldn't say that, should I tell us I want tail light? The police stop CJ for. Or him did a speed. She wouldn't come out here come talk CJ business say boy a license or any form of documents. But you come out here, the boy license never so good. What you mean never so good? What you mean? Just spell it out and done. But me want to know if CJ have one uncle let her walk with so everywhere him go the police them know. But we soon get to that part there. Because you done a check if you come sue me already. So me just have finish it and done. Me people don't start get up on account there. We don't want to go fund me. We just get up on account because probably I want long way she have to go. And just throw a little $1 in it to the reach. Yes, by time court time, we must have enough money can get a lawyer to represent me. But all on the people. Just before me come to the video, me go some boom me click on YouTube. Lord Jesus. Dana, you sign contract with one toilet paper tongue factory. Because them say the toilet paper is like tongue. So me don't know. Yeah, them say you have one toilet paper factory coming like tongue. Like the human tongue. Yeah. So I don't know if you sign contract with that toilet paper factory there. Because every turn you turn, it's like them want to clean your mess. Me never know say you walk with running belly, Dana. That you need them for just step behind you with them tongue just a clean. So me never know. People can't, me never want to play it. Me did plan to add it to that video, but me I say no, leave it alone. But me just go say what me I say. Same so TV, girl. What is wrong with you now? What is really wrong with you now? It seems as if because today I was not on social media browsing or anything at all until just now. And I know a browser pass. I don't remember which channel if I wanted that. I think a Planka Bass channel. One of them channels may do a pass. I see some interview did go on somewhere along the line. I don't remember exactly where I see it. But when she T-Girl same so TV called the name of the person, it was the same name that me get a glimpse of that interview. Mishibu or something like so. And sitting another way. But what me I say, Dana seems to interview this young miss. And it seems like these people have a problem with Dana interviewing people. Because you know recently, I think last week or before last, she interviewed this young man. Yeah, this young man of Jamaican parentage. Yeah. So this week now she interviewed someone else. And them have a problem with it. Tina, when you used to do your whole interview back in the days, nobody never have no problem with it. Nobody never did have no problem with it. So why jealous of somebody know that the era has changed? The era has changed, and the change where the era change, you create and have no impact. You have not elevated from where you were. So why someone start somewhere or possible to take it to a different level that sometime you might see them interview some governor, some president, or some statesman of America. For somebody will just reach America, or not having a problem. She will come up on her platform and she will say, yes, I noticed Dana has been doing a lot of interview. She do another one with this girl, whenever from England, the girl named Mishibu or whatsoever. But that's not the interview. I want to tell you that the next interview we want to see you do, we want to see you do it with some of your past recipients like Sharika, Andrea, you know, the woman who used to carry your hardware woman who used to do your contract work. Yes, we come out and say every time you go to the hardware truck, things go up by above rack, so the woman never have her money. Whether it goes or it not go, so the woman never have her money. If you send her truckload of things go above rack and whatever house she want build. She have build much house for poor people and people where they even have with a car now who's so ungrateful. What if she build house for her mother or whoever she want build house in her family? What proof none of the office say boy this money is donation money from charity she take by truckload of sand and truckload of gravel and steel and cement and black figure build house, eh? Uno no like see nobody have no ambition. Uno want to see people stuck the same way like how uno stuck. Because what this woman is doing now, you was somebody who claimed to say you used to work with radio station and you used to do the same. Whether you want to name same so TV, shit up TV or T-girl or where you want to name, you is going to hold responsible for a T-girl. Just like how uno hold we responsible. Hold Dana responsible for what we do out here. Cause Dana our mama, Dana our granny. You understand? Yes. Or we join an organization that we can be suspended and be disciplined when we pass our place or, you know, go overbound. That will make it look like, you know. So at the same thing now, whether you want to name same so TV or you want to name T-girl, we have it all, we have it out here. You understand? She will come out and say that the next set of interviews, those are the people. Julia, those are the people she want Dana to interview that past donors like herself can hear what is happening. You don't have it one way already. You don't have it one way already. And if Dan have to interview them and them say what them want to say, you know say Dan set them up to say what them want to say. Because if you notice, these people are what you know talk about the woman for interview. Them put a narrative out here at first, and then now when you know the emotion get the better of them and them put the narrative out here, when them calm down and them say well, you know, certain privilege of them used to get them now get it no more because people start go against them come back and them say otherwise than what them did say first. And the first thing when you jump on and say yes, she call them and she coax them, our people warn them, she make our bad man them go warn them and all kind of things you know come with. All kind of things. So why she fi interview them? And when them come out here and say what them fi say, you know go say she did coax them, she did school them what to say from what not to say. It no make no sense. You no want interview them as you no always a do. So one more interview you no want. You no always a interview them. You no expect them to come say different things from what you no force them to say. Eh? If I want to hear anything else, you not go hear are the truth. And the truth is, them all come say how it go from how it not go. Not all you no force them to say by promising them $150 Victoria and no secret and hard them something they want to promise them and clothes and all kind of sitting. Just to get them to say what you no want hear. You understand? That's what you no do, you know. Bribe them because them hungry. Some of them get 3-story mansion. We value how much millions of dollars from them shackle where them a come from. With how much picnic. You understand? And 2 little jars and $50. Them turn cross with the woman throat. Like a fishbone. You understand? And come give you false information where the woman is concerned. So they just continue to do it and get what they want. We know what we know what happened. And them can lie to themselves. Them can lie to we, but them can lie to themselves and God. Yes, them can lie to John Public and Sharon Public. But guess what? Them can't lie to themselves and God. So no care on bribe them with the whole part draws them with some money now send and the $50 $100 them because them hungry and them compare that $50 and $100 and the couple jars or a little box of clothes on the send come towards millions of dollars with this woman. Use our platform and get for them to build 1-story, 2-story and 3-story house. You understand? And this is what you call penny wise and pound foolish. Turn cross with the woman throat like one fishbone. But at the same time the woman is so blessed that she didn't have to use a tough crackers and nothing to move or a dumpling to move that piece of fishbone. All she have to just go and it fly out. Because God is right there in the vessel. The same vessel where she not traveling, God is right there. He's the captain of the vessel. She's just the one who on the vessel doing the work. So no could have ball till thy kingdom come. You no won't see the downfall of this woman. She is the only person can cause herself to have a downfall. Or if it's a wish of the Almighty, because sometimes He do put us down to put we in higher places. But uno, where wish you see it, now go see it. Anyway, people, I don't know what they do. Like, share. We are going at the video right now with Marcia. You know, the psychotic Marcia in this video. She says, speak my mind. You are the next one. So she coming for the Jamaican bloggers, but you know, one at the other side of the country. Yes, from where I am. Yes, she's coming. She said court date. Basically, when she has a court date set already, it's just a face the judge now. She might not say it in such words, say court date set. But how she attack, just listen. Whether I saw it go or I not saw it go, that's exactly what she are saying. It's just a face the judge now. Everything set. So that simply means court date set, lawyer money pay, arrangement make, waiting on the court date to go and face the judge. It already set where wait for it to come. So, what do they do? Like, share, subscribe. It is so easy. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. Please to watch the ads. Continue to support the backup channel Life is a Mission TV. Follow me up on TikTok Life is a Mission TV. And you don't know tomorrow the start of the busy part now of the election, which is nomination day, which is today. And I will be out So you can look forward for your video, and probably also go live on TikTok. So if you want to see the whole thing live, you can go up on TikTok. Life is a Mission TV. Me no over there for beg no Zell, no Peller, no Wheel or nothing. You understand? And that's the reason why I don't really go live. And it's a begging app like that for you gain something. Is a begging app because they don't pay for videos. It's only 5 countries in the world I think them pay for videos, and Jamaica is not one. Alright? But if you know a TikToker who have an account with you know say you know have TikTokers who want to give or want to feel free if you give me. If you don't want to give me, I will accept the gift, because as you know, it will go towards the needy and not the greedy. So if you don't want to send one donut or money gun or whatsoever, I don't send it, but you don't not go hear me I beg it. The only thing I will ask you if you do is tap the screen, because tapping the screen is like liking the video. The difference between TikTok and YouTube only one like. TikTok you can like all a million times. As long as you have the strength in your finger to tap the screen, just a tap. And that give the video an algorithm to go to more people. Alright? That is it. Not a ship, nor boat, nor yacht is it. That is it. The website is there, charmsandtrends.shop. Go over there and support me by buying a t-shirt or a cap, a tumbler, whatsoever. Speak My Mind t-shirt, Speak My Mind cap. You get things over there customized to your liking. Just run over upon the website of charmsandtrends.shop. All this now, before we get into the video, people that call this an intro. So I want to ask a question. For you people who have platform, me just ask you a question, general question. We don't dissect people's videos. We just come and talk. Would you people consider this video as a video that I am not dissecting a video based on the top of the video what I am talking about, same so TV, aka Tina? Isn't this the same way you that come out here and see something and talk? Or because someone just sit down and wait for the video when me I go play? For hear the video, for see if you hear it before and see it before, I want to can run go find it. Because I don't want already done, I don't want to do the research, I don't want to break down nothing on the own terms, and I wait for people break it down for you. Why most of you have a problem and talk about intro? Because all this now, this could be just one video I do right away now with Tina, you know, and just say alright tomorrow. By talking about what she have done just as all Uno would have do. But yet still, Uno claim to say it's an intro. You know how much time I come out here and I just talk about a video without even dissect it. Just like I just do this a while ago. Anyway, we can move towards Marcia now. She start the video site as a psychotic, you know. Psychotic Marcia, man. Marcia vibe not ready, bro. But you can't cleanse from in your heart. As long as you're a Christian, is a lost sheep, you go back. I remember saying, no, I have not been out of the church, you know. from me baptized and from me the committee, you know. Me no out of the church, you know. Me go to church more than a lot of people that better say, this is the backsliders, them are backsliding to go to church. I have not been out of the church, you know. Me can't say the same thing. Sowing seed and dream and tithe. I mean, if I got a church, if you go to church one time or 2 times for the year. Holding on and holding on. Because them the same thing when me I do them out there, them have man too. Them are going back to them and do what's that me. But the only reason why I would just get reconfirm my faith is just because it's because of the world. You want them to say, okay, Marcia, go baptize. Me not baptize again. If God said me to baptize, if God don't, if me don't feel something in me. If when the pastor call baptism, and me just see tears and run down my ear and me feel the shiver over me, and tell me to I'm not going. So Marcia, hold on. Now recently you come and say you have them feelings in the church. And that is why you know the Holy Ghost in the church. People, if I can remember clearly, as since we can do a video, must about Tuesday, somewhere along the line there. Either Tuesday, I think a Tuesday I do a video where Marcia said why she believe in this church so much. When she in the church, she can feel how she shiver and she can feel herself like her blood run cold and like her blood does a bubble up in her body. So she knows the church and the bishop full with Holy Ghost. So all now in this video you're going to say, you're not baptized until you're in the church and you feel that way there. Boy, I tell you to Rastaja. Marcia, why you can't remember what you say hours and days before? Sometimes I'll just couple minutes. Because sometimes in a one video you will say one thing and then just a few minutes later. Something different. Contradicting what you did just say couple minutes before.
Yeah, water can't wash it. You have to just change your ways.
Where be the Rasta Jadis? Some man say you know that all the while? Already Romeo and Virgo and Christopher Martin sang y'all listen. Dirty heart can't sweep with broom. And that song y'all listen a while ago. Because you're gonna say water can't wash sin. Then why you want believe say your money can buy your way through to God? Eh? If you know water can't wash sin, why you believe say your money can buy your way into God? Because your behavior for the past year and had, you know. That is what you are trying to do, you know. Use your money buy your way into God. But now you come and say water can't wash sin.
Come here and tell us that I do more good. I do things.
Hear the good what she do.
Christian don't do.
What she not have no clue, no evidence of.
Throughout my life until today.
One thing she boasts about every day. Listen. Feeding madman. She give a little madman $1, a little food she talk. Listen.
Do what I do. The amount of people when me blessing in my life and the amount of charity work when me do.
Word of mouth.
Them not do it and them have the money.
You're psychotic man, word of mouth.
And them have the money.
You be Lulu.
Them also a homeless man. And them pass them. People come in at McDonald's and KFC or whatever. And them a beg food. And them have the money for them and them buy it. I buy it, give them. As long as I have the money and they ask me for it, may I give it to them.
So why you big and bold at all times? You ready to give mad people money? To come on your platform, come brag and boast about it? You have one that you speak about somewhere in Portmore, you see him at the stoplight and you buy him curry goat. What is to buy a madman a curry goat? You go as far as a curry goat like you make a statement. Say you never buy him a cheap food, a curry goat you buy him. It's not everywhere you go curry goat expensive. Me know a place where you can go get a 600 curry goat and that a long years ago you buy that before curry mutton even get so dear. Plus 70% of the place them in Jamaica are 80% where cook mutton side them a cook curry goat. And a local mutton them a cook. A foreign mutton we cheap. So when you come out here and make a statement about you buy madman mutton curry goat like you try to prove a point. But I remember sitting and watching a live for you when you're in your van. I thought this already. Someone who might be on the live too. Because I know me alone jump fence. Someone who jump the fence sometime. Because I can't wait feet from no else. And someone who enjoy clowning her out naturally when she do it. You understand? More than wait upon the rebroadcast or wait upon someone else to carry it. But I'm saying, I see you in your van one day. And this young boy come around and knock your window. And the way how you go at this young boy, you start questioning him. Where mama they, where papa they? Where you do pan road this hours? But you beg. Wait. And you shun the little boy. And you started to think and talk what him want the money figure do. If you're this humanitarian, you're this person who you just say you is where you, oh, some of them going to McDonald's, some of them going to this, and them say little madman them and them say this. Madman now going to McDonald's. Probably some little homeless people or needy people you will see. Some in really understand where you say in a McDonald's must outside, but put it away then. And them who even give them it, I give them. Especially when I have it, I give them. So you have to mad? Or you have to proven to be homeless before you can get like a young youth a thing? What if that young youth now asks you for something and you refuse to give him it? And the minute you refuse to give him, go up the road and see somebody with it and him grab it or him thief it or whatsoever. End up at jail or end up 6'6". How would you feel? Knowing that if you just give a youth there, as what you say, you have change in your purse because you have $5 and you have $10, you could have given him a $5 or a $10, but you're not giving it. Where am I come from these hours? What you want to parole these hours? Where is his parents? So it's special people, a special need people you take up and get things. You don't just give somebody once your spirit tell you say them needy. You watch your age and you watch how clean them is. As me saying to people, I don't know my saying, me give to the needy and not the greedy. But that don't mean say the needy have to look the worst of the worst to be needy. You understand? The needy don't have to look the worst of the worst. Needy don't mean you have to look dirty and look shabby. And me have to cut my nose when me come side of you. No. Needy don't mean that. Needy mean you need a plate of food and a care clean you look. You just cannot afford a plate of food. You already have the clothes. Whether you get it from family, friends, wherever you get the clothes, you don't have the clothes already and the clothes clean. You bathe and you put on clothes. But you just don't have the food. So you're needy. You understand? You don't greedy where you know say you have food, but you still come out and beg a next man in food because you want to save your own. We should have so many people like that. You know what people we know have their money at bank? Where them claim to say them are save. And then put them for rainy day. But it seems like the actual rainy day when God open him ever them a look for. The rainy day is when you can't dip in your pocket or look in your house and find $1. You run to the bank or draw that. But you know what them do? You know when you have not even a quarter with them having at the bank. Them want to draw your own through your eye. You hear them that say suck out your eye? Yes, that them want to do. And take the liquor where you have while feed them down the bank. Why don't go to the bank and draw your one? It's yours. And that's what you do, put it down for rainy day. So it coming like Marcia now. As me say, if you not stay a certain way, she can't give you your one because to how she shun that little boy. You understand? And then turn on and say she have it could have give him. But she never give him, but every day she come out here and talk about she giving madman food. So it's only madman you give food. Okay. Madman have to dirty and them something there. For you give somebody something.
Yeah. I'm giving it to them. If Christian them who claim to them holy and righteous, them pass them. And I give it to them. Oh. Nobody now force me can make me. When me got my bed and God ready to show me some with a vision here. Not even Christian, not even pastor,
Psychotic.
can get them vision there. Me not ask you.
Someone can ask Marcia how even look here, she know.
So me know say,
Marcia know how even look and behave that way, yeah. Me can't believe. If you know even look and behave so, you can't get a plan to go back.
Vision when me get up in the heaven there, me not ask you. So bring that vision me I get from me a little pitney. From me you what? If me tell us some story that vision when me get. Me know them not get them. Me know say them, me don't know if nobody ever get the one where God show them. One stroll. Big as the size of a jet plane. Just a fly across the sky. Made in a hole. know, me say big as the size of jet plane, you know, just a pass by the sky, you know. And me I tell people, see,
Every man said they see orange something there, yeah, people?
nobody does it.
Everyone should there.
Got me. I get up with a vision. Me don't think they get the vision, you know.
And you know, learn from them the vision. That's me, you don't want to go back at heaven.
I see up heaven, you know. One little part, you know. We dey walk.
That for sure you say, you don't accept God. Because if you get them the vision there, where you there in heaven, and when you wake up out of your vision, you see which part you're there. And you continue to behave the way you behave in a social media. Me hear all your friends come, but me I wait till they reach a part there. You know? And deal with people and people pick me the way and then play a victim. You don't really want to go back at heaven. Or you don't want to go at heaven for real. It not seems so. Because if you get all these visions we are talking about and you continue to behave so and make your life messy, that will fall off of your head, fall upon your son's shoulder, and you want to blame people for it. And when people come out here and speak of what they see, speak of what they hear, you have a problem with it. But when you come out here and speak of people who don't even see you, people when you put them business out here more than want to create narrative where people lifestyle and business is concerned, to create content, it is not a problem to you. But when phone want to put out here what we see and we talk about it, what we hear and we talk about it, you don't have problem.
You know, we don't pass stone them and the pretty stone and the diamond and the sit them and the one house, me see, you know, we're full with creeper flowers. I pay flowers fully, like a creeper flowers, all over the building. I will walk through it, I see some big giant door, the angle make out of gold. And they had two soldiers stand up there, two armed guard, with a piece of something over their face so. And they have the sword at their side, just like the movie. We carve out a silver and gold. What? And we see this big door, big. Wow, big elephant door, you know, tall like a where? And you see the golden pan, it tick like my hand for up the door. And when we go in the guard, them say so. And I walk through the little passageway right so I go up and see some old lady sit down on some bench in the garden. And I see one big open sea. May I tell you? May I tell you? So when you can't stay there, don't know what God for yourself. Know what God for yourself. CJ, reach back. Hold on there. Spell up CJ, reach back. Hold on.
Listen, you know, CJ and police crosses are following.
The devil is a liar. The devil is a liar.
Me I wonder if a CJ they driver and police catch him, you know. But she make it look like a one friend, cause she depend. You hear her? But me look at CJ come back. And then she go up on the phone and she come back and she say, yes, him come back, him reach back. Him say him reach back. The devil is a liar. The devil is a liar. You know, like when something would have happened, but something seems to happen, but at the same time, probably she had try to fix it up because she don't want to give nobody out no more content. So she had try to fix it up and say, the youth is a youth did a drive, one of them friend did a drive the car, but the friend license so goody. But me I wonder if him did a drive the car, where him probably not supposed to drive the car, or whatsoever. Me don't know, me I wonder. Because why should I come back and the devil is a liar. If him leave to go to Carolina, South or West or not, because of some form of court business, or something we done a go on already. I don't like him go somewhere and him get grabbed. And the grab where him get grabbed pan it over there. You know, him come off, whichever way him get let off, and you say, well, the devil is a liar because the devil a try work. Me don't know. This sound like mother want to say him come in tango with police again, but it never end up that worse. That's why she continue to sing about devil is a liar. But listener, I gotta say,
you know God is so so good, you know. And he had to go to South Carolina to a case. And everything is fine. But he have somebody to drive him on his way back.
She no sound right.
Police stopped them.
She no sound right.
The guy license, the friend license wasn't so good. And they pounded the car. Is your God good? They take away the car.
Oh, God good. Yes, we know God good. But in the context, well, me can't flag you too much. Because sometimes when I use words and create sentence and make statement with, you know, things we're not supposed to do there. But what me I say, we know God good. But in this way I say, the guy that drive the car, police stop them, him license not so good, them impound the car. Then you go say, you saw God good. Me not understand that. Or you try to say, alright, them never lock them up. What them do, them just take with the car. And that's you try to say then. You try to say, okay, God good, them never end up lock them up. Them just pound the car. I must that. Me can't work it out no other way. But this not sound good when she say so. This sound like CJ running a little problem again. But lucky for him, it wasn't that harsh this time around. That's how me I think.
But God is so good that in a time like this, when he did send money to give already. He don't go down there. But when he called upon me, you know, to help the situation, thank God I was able to do so. So them get it out and they came back on his own now. God is good. There was a time he could have called upon me to do it and I couldn't do it. But God is good.
So before you make the statement and make your people them know the situation, you start say God is good pan other statement where you make about him getting stopped and the guy license wasn't so good. God is so good where me don't know where I say then. One time gone, you wouldn't have the money call upon you to help the guy to take back the car out of the pound. One time gone with a call upon you and you couldn't do it, but now you can do it. But why you say that part there in advance before you reach here, sir? And this would have make anybody feel like something not right. And a ninja man voice, something not right.
Well, God will anything we Satan do, God will take him out of it.
I tell you already.
God will take him
I
out
tell
of
you
it.
already. And you need to release him by changing your way. Not until you change your way.
Some of these people have to learn them lessons. Yes, some of these people have to learn them lessons. As you people know, on social media, I have been ridiculed, lion, call all kind of name.
You have not done none of the above to anybody out here.
Trying to make me lose my job. Say all kind of mother evil against me. And I'm still here. Yeah. Still here. And I keep warning them on social media. I say warning them. I said one day, one of me and one, we're going right into the courthouse. Whether win or lose. I may walk my money, I may get my lawyer, and that individual is going right into the courthouse. That is it.
Me next.
Yes, dear.
So I prepare my lawyer money now.
Feel like
prepare my lawyer money because you say I'm me next.
Not untouchable. Una believe say because they on social media, una can tell life on people, talk all kind of things when I go so, and feel say one day God was not going to give me the money to do it. Well, God surely did give me the money to do it. And look, if those individuals was in America who were told me in Jamaica, I may do one by one. One by one, may I get every last one I want.
But Marcia, before you reach to the nitty-gritty part, you say you do each one away one by one. Do you sure that you have a case against any of us out here? And if so be the case, and you have a case against one, whether the first or the second, you having a case, alright, so for instance, the first person you carry to court, which most of you don't know who the first person she said she had carried to court, where it done in a process already that now, after how long, because that makes you come attack, you know, because it seems like people that ask, what is going on, what is going on? So she has said, me support her, don't worry. Not you don't hear me come attack. It reached the stage now, it's just for we to see the judge. And that's the reason why I said it seems like the date set. You understand? But I'm saying, if you carry that person to court, if you even win that person, that don't mean you can't win the second, the third, the fourth, and the fifth person. And for sure, if you lose with that first person, you're not going with the second, the third, or the fourth because you don't have the money if you do it, Marcia. You don't have the money if you do it. So let's see how this first case work out. Whether it work out in your favor or the other person's favor. Let's see how far you can go with others after this one. Me she said look a shrimp. A 360. You wait, man. You wait. You wait. What she say? Zero I go catch you. And a one. Marcia, trust me.
Because certain things must not be said on social media. Me who been out here for so long, me not supposed to be disrespected like that over other people when I care about.
So oh, you want to disrespect people?
Yes, me dear. And God make me a say it for over 3-4 years now. Me a take on a court. Me a get on a laugh off of me. But on them not laughing now.
A lie.
Them sure ain't laughing now.
A lie.
Serious time now.
This is the serious time. Oh, that song they go again. How would you do that song again? Oh, Jack Cure. Serious time. Yeah, Jack Cure they do that song there. So you say they not laugh again, Marcia? Right now you say me next. Me stop laugh too. Me not run no more joke either. Because me don't know if the people them are gonna have my back. And what more account and somebody take the responsibility of 3 or 4, somebody co-sign and whatever in the account, it continues sum up till my time come and have court money for pay a lawyer. Me not jump no more fence. It have to come in front of my face. Me not jump no more fence. Because me don't know if you not have my back, so me not jump no more fence. So me stop laughing as of now. Me stop run joke and me not jump no fence. If it not dash out in front of me where me have to take shovel and move it to if it walk past, me not trouble it, Marcia.
Down to the park, honey. They may not come out and tell you now. The only thing left now is to stand in front of the judge.
That's the date set. The date set.
Victory shall be mine.
And you speak me mind. Listen now.
Yes, me dear, to members only. Everything, the only thing left now is to stand in front of the...
Me no want to no feel like say me want to scam no money for no put on liar money for me. You no listen. You no go hear it from the ass's mouth. And speak me mind. How you next? So I not lie me I come tell you true me I look money from you because me no want the money. Me just want to go and save it little $, $2, $5, $10, and put in one account and share on the co-sign to the account so nobody can draw none out of it. And when it go draw the tree, you have to draw it and you know it comes straight to the lawyer. You understand? So you put it like one GoFundMe, not GoFundMe, but you say lawyer money. And it have to go direct to lawyer. So whosoever the lawyer will be, me now go angle the money, and you can angle the money, you can sign for the money come out, they go straight to the lawyer when them time they come. But by them time the $, $5, it will reach a stage where we can get defend.
judge. Yes, we make it clear. So things is going very well, as it should go. So I just want to make that clear. If you don't hear nothing, it's because I don't say nothing. The only thing left now is to stand in front of the courthouse and talk to a judge. That's all. Yeah, because this online slandering and bullying must stop among these Jamaicans. And if I have to teach uno a lesson one by one, to stop interfere with Marcia and let me come on social media and be myself. Let me come and sing me little karaoke, motivate and inspire me little people with my life, and not to disrespect me and slander me and my pitney. When nothing said God was not going to open door for me to get that money to get it done, God do it. Do it in fine style. Do it in fine style, honey.
I fret, me start fret already, so I stay that time I look and speak my mind face, here. You think me not soon not chat me, but I look and speak my mind face. I fret, me start fret already.
I don't have no money, on a poor. And these type of behavior when I go on without here. Not because I want to want to no soul.
I know me poor. I see that fret to make Marcia make me start fret already. I mean, I know if you don't have my back.
One by one, who don't get it one by one. Watch. Speak your mind, and you next. Go to Jamaica. You next. Speak your mind, you next. You next. Since I see that send you for me, Jesus have to remove you. You're going from bad to worse. I have two pitney America where you say you're going to army, or Navy, or Marines. And you come and put down my pitney and his mother. You must be mad. When you dig one hole, you better dig two. One for you and your pitney, not for me and CJ.
Marcia, 3 me dig. 1 for you, 1 for CJ, and 1 for
Too
Romy.
much from Jamaica.
Me nah dig 2 hole, me I dig 3. 1 for you, 1 for CJ, and 1 for Romy.
Things is going fine. The only thing left now is to go in front of the judge. Just to make it clear. And I don't have to come out here and beg on no money.
Me a beg on you know. Me a beg on you cause uno put me in a this. Me a beg on you. Uno a put me in a this. So let me try to start what me the account from now.
Thanks to the Jehovah God that I serve. So nobody feel like say, uno not hear nothing. Things is going very well. The only thing left now is to stand in front of the judge.
Court date set, and after that I speak my mind on the ear. Alright.
Who can't hear
We feel. And me no want to feel because me no have no tiger skin, me no have no crocodile skin. My skin thin. So any lick me get me I go feel it.
You have to put your foot down. We can't stop the hating. We can't stop the bad mind. But you have to put your foot down.
The only place you don't put your foot up on shoulder to take dicky. Your foot can't put down. Your foot can't put down, Marcia. All you do is put your foot on shoulder to take dicky. According to you. Grass stopper, yeah. 360 shatter. Grass stopper, 360, listen. Him a number 1 enough, but you can't catch him. And him live in America like she. But she want to come to Jamaica for we. You saw she unfair, she fear him. Boy, you fear 360 and we have strength for Jamaica. The man live America where you live and you're afraid of him and you have strength for we. Well, your advantage taker. You want a little advantage taker. Why you want to come we are Jamaica for we and who the America with you? You can't find him, you can't, you're afraid.
I am so happy for you.
Listen Odette now. Listen hypocrite Odette.
justice shall prevail.
Or that you're a hypocrite, and that's why you're ugly, so.
Yes, my child.
Yeah, you're a hypocrite. That's why you're ugly, so Odette. Because you're a hypocrite. Because me can't believe, say, you, when she come out, you come make it look like he's a nice, decent, honest, fair person in her life. With your whole education and subject where you have as according to how she are going. Would have come out here, come write a comment like that in our comment section. Unless yesterday you start following Marcia. Unless yesterday or at the present moment where you are write a comment there, you start following Marcia. For you write a comment like that. Or you just plain hypocrite where Marcia is concerned. We should know how well the play hypocrite we are. Because a comment like that you shouldn't write it. Because when you write a comment like that now, you make Marcia feel like say she is really the victim. Nobody out here she not trouble. Nobody out here picking she not cast all kind of judgment pan. Marcia is the one come out here cast judgment pan many of us kids. And you write a comment like that. Odette, you're a hypocrite. And for who she say you is if me didn't even want to have the respect for you, me just lose it. Just see that comment the way you make. Right now, I feel like I call a thumbnail with a big ugly face so you put up how you make monkey face. Because I don't know what kind of monkey face you make. If you really want ugly, then you're ugly already. But you're pan. And I feel like if I find it, I'm going to put it on the, the screen too. If I find it, I'm going to put it up. Because you don't need to make monkey face. Speak your mind, people. Bless upon yourself and thanks for watching. Come to the end of another video and know what to do. So easy. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit the thumbs up and hit the video. Please to watch the ads and continue to support the backup channel Life is a Mission TV. Follow me upon TikTok Life is a Mission TV. Alright, tomorrow nomination starts at, well you know basically they make one go first and one go like an hour after because they don't want the meeting of the two parties for a buck up because no controversy and no violence. So basically I will be going live sometime between 12 and after 12 on TikTok. So you need to go over the Life is a Mission TV if you're in the diaspora you want to see a little piece of that. When the Prime Minister in his constituency will be marching from a certain area to 65 Rosalie Avenue. That's just right off Walton Park Road, where it's the nomination center. It's also the counting center of that. I think that's that area, if I'm not lying. And the PMP will also march in with a vintage politician, Donald Buchanan. And you know, I don't know people, I don't really want to speak politics, but what I say, if you are transition, right, how can you go resurrect some man where is we of the past, where my generation, the generation before me, and the generation that just a come, we can read where the history is right in front of them face by the tip of just going Google. Why you gonna bring back all them man they know in the system? From me a Pitney I come here hear about Donald Buchanan, I must about 2 or 3 of them, brother of them. You understand? But anyway, we're not going to so. So if you don't want to see all of that live, you can reach out on TikTok, Life is a Mission TV tomorrow. If you're in the diaspora, you want to see what is going on. Alright? Because you don't know me, I'm going to be journalist vest and thing, you know. Yes, man. Independent journalist out in the street working. So stay tuned to the Life is a Mission TV channels, YouTube, TikTok. Continue to support the merge on the website of charmsandtrends.shop. Speak My Mind t-shirts, Speak My Mind caps, Life is a Mission t-shirt, tumblers, you know, gym buckles, anything you see, you can get your customized, you get your picture on it, your name on it. You can choose your favorite color. We might can't give you, if you are doing it like in different colors, you might can't get it exactly, but we will bring it as close as possible. Right? If you have one color, that's a different thing, we can do it. And anything you have in mind, you can put it to us. We can tell it if we can do it outside of what we normally would have done. If we can, we will. And that's a good way to shop with Charms and Trends. You can get your goods customized. You don't just get what you see. You have to choose from one. Alright? When you support me, you help me to continue to support the needy and not the greedy. Bless upon yourself a happy Monday. I might don't have the time to go on another video, but let's see it work. You know, normally when them time you come up, normally come out of bed early. Wife it, remember me have to wake up early in the morning. You know, them time I'm kind of, you know, excited to get out there, you know, to see what is going on. So remember me I tell you from now, no, hold me down tomorrow morning. I don't know early though, but alright? Peace out. Me just have to chat to wife a while ago, cause you see she me can't bother with her, you know. Bless upon yourself. Tomorrow we hear and see what I go on. Just run go follow me on TikTok live Mission TV. You can see what I go on live if anything. Once the signal is good. Right? Plus, when we see video post on the Life Mission TV channel. And remember, if you don't have gifting badge, you can't gift me over there. But you not go hear me a beg no gift. But make sure you tap up the screen so the video can share out. Any amount of taps, that's a like. Not like YouTube where one like. Alright?